Hello viewers, here we will discuss some small business ideas. Number 1, virtual assistant service. Many small business owners and solopreneurs require assistance to maintain their enterprises and are willing to pay for it. Why not take advantage of this chance by providing these busy business owners with virtual assistant services? You can locate clients by using BPOs like 1840 and Company and International Marketplace. You can assist them with a variety of tasks, including managing appointment scheduling, email sending and replying client calls, customer service support, and much more. The nice aspect is that you may carry out all of this work virtually. You can discover clients by using platforms for crowdsourcing like Upwork, Remote, and Indeed. Number 2, social media management service. It's no surprise that many businesses are scrambling to establish themselves on social sharing platforms. Given the importance of having a strong online presence for thriving and remaining relevant in the modern business world, by assisting time-pressed business owners with their social media accounts, you may also turn this into a profitable venture. Number 3, web design agency. In the early days of internet, creating a website required the ability to write lengthy, complex programs, but now, owing to no-code options like WordPress and Wix, everything has changed. Consider launching a web design company if you enjoy designing things and don't mind investing time in learning WordPress. During the life cycle of developing a website, automated web testing occurs. In addition to automated testing, you can also provide web design services as well as serve as an automation testing business. Start by explaining what you do to your friends and family to attract customers for your business. You'd be astonished at how many clients this easy networking tactic may get you. You can continue after web design, expand into more agency positions, including SEO. This SEO company in London is a fantastic example of where to begin. Even entirely remote work is possible. It's no surprise that many businesses are scrambling to establish themselves on social sharing platforms given the importance of having a strong online presence for thriving and remaining relevant in the modern business world. Additionally, you can increase reach by swiftly scheduling content using social media scheduling tools. Number 4, coffee shop. Start a coffee shop to turn your passion for brewing coffee into a lucrative business. Franchising can be a better choice if you lack the time and commitment to establish your coffee company from the ground up. As an alternative, you may buy an existing coffee business and rebrand it. Of course, you'll need a lot of money to pull that done. Number 5, affiliate marketing. For people who work a 9 to 5 job, stay at home parents, and anybody else searching for a passive side income, affiliate marketing is excellent. How does it function? You locate a tangible or digital product you want to promote, you direct people to it, and you expect to close a deal. You get paid a commission each time that product is sold. For instance, Adoric has an affiliate program. You will receive a 20% compensation each time a visitor you refer joins one of our paid plans after visiting us through your recommendation. Referral software is quite helpful to set up and automate the procedure while running such a marketing campaign. Examine websites like Commission Junction or ClickBank or to locate profitable products to advertise. Viewers, if you like this video, so please do subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you.